Hey everybody, this is Reverend Kid Holmes. It is One Mind Wednesday time. It is Wednesday, October the 22nd, 2025. The title that I put in the description of this post today is Repeat After Me. I'm going to give you a simple affirmation. It is your homework assignment for this week from One Mind Wednesday. I encourage you, one caveat, you can say this, of course, if you're driving or doing something, operating heavy machinery or something like that, but pay attention to what you're doing, as well as saying the mantra. You know this, I don't have to tell you this, but it's just a simple reminder. And the mantra is, today, I focus only on the good and give thanks for it. Period. Today, I focus on the good. Why do we do this? Because there's a lot of things that don't look good, that don't feel good, that feel or experience chaotic things, anger, hurt, disillusionment, lack of trust, all of those things. And this goes right back to the basics of spiritual principle. What we focus on, we bring more of into our experience. And so I will reference an event of this past weekend where the primary focus was on love, compassion, good, democracy, justice, and most peaceful demonstrations of the belief in the good of this country and of this world and of people. So this is what the mantra will do for us. It will keep us moving in that direction, in the direction of positivity, in the direction of compassion, peace, love, justice. Keep saying it to yourself. Today I give thanks for the good, and I'm grateful for it all. Grateful for it. Grateful for the good. Even in the tiniest places, there is good to be found. There is beauty to be found. There is joy to be found. There is love and compassion. I see it all around me, and I see more and more of it because I look for it, and I affirm that it's there. So, today and every day, I seek the good, I look for the good, I find the good, and I give thanks for it. There you have it. One Mind Wednesday. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for subscribing to this, to my website, to the Substack, and to the YouTube channel where these videos live in the One Mind Wednesday playlist. So thank you again. I love you all dearly. Remember, we are all a part of the one mind. Every single one of us is a part of the one mind, the collective consciousness. So, yes, we are all in this together. Every single one of us is in this together. And what do we say? Kindness matters. Love is the only answer. And I'll say it again. I love you all dearly, and I will see you again next Wednesday. One Mind Wednesday. Take care.